Attach the mounting plate to the junction box and secure with the screws in the accessory pack. Connect the black wire to the black hot wire with a P3 wire nut and wrap the wire nut with insulated rubber tape. Connect the white wire to the white neutral wire with a P3 wire nut and wrap the wire nut with insulated rubber tape. Connect the green ground wire to the brass ground wire with a P3 wire nut and wrap the wire nut with insulated rubber tape. Attach the canopy to the mounting plate and secure the canopy with the screws. Screw the bulb into the lamp holder, wrap the metal rods and glass rods with rubber bands to keep the rods in place. Adjust the position of rubber bands to get your desired look. Follow the instruction in the installation manual and insert the metal rods and glass rods into the holes on the lamp body one by one. It looks great when the light is on.